From a 130 miles per hour high-speed pursuit in the rain involving Arkansas State Police chasing a Suzuki motorcycle to a 120 miles per hour chase through town with both local and state police. These are the adrenaline-fueled moments that showcase the dangers of high-speed pursuits. Riding 130 miles per hour in the rain with no plate? That's not bravery, that's a Darwin Award audition. Suzuki dude thought he was Ghost Rider, but forgot he was on wet pavement, not a Marvel movie set. ASB troopers don't play. The moment the blue lights came on, that bike went from fast to suicidal, blasting down I-49 on the shoulder in the rain. Bro, even Aquaman would have pulled over.
White male right here, blue jeans, black jacket, black helmet, white sports bike, sleeves, and
You can only dance on the shoulder at 130 miles per hour in a storm for so long before physics taps you on the shoulder and says, your ride is over. This chase had everything: rain, reckless speed, a crash, a ditch dive, and then a Scooby-Doo style foot chase. The only thing missing was Benny Hill music playing in the background.
Right now.
You see where he went? Yeah, he went up there.
Comment 5. Imagine the tow guy showing up like, yep, another crotch rocket with no plate in a ditch. Must be Sunday.
Yeah, he was running from me. Did he hit you guys?
What a fucking idiot, bro.
Did he make contact with you guys?
Yeah, where did he go?
Okay. I saw him running.
And, of course, the runner classic. Bike in the ditch. Driver takes off on foot like he's about to win gold at the Arkansas track meet. Too bad ASP already had the dogs on call. Flying through town at 120 miles per hour is like trying to run a chainsaw through a china shop. Disaster guaranteed. The fact that local police even kept eyes on this guy before ASP swooped in is impressive. When you bring the Arkansas State Police into a chase, it's like calling in the varsity squad. Those troopers don't just chase, they in chases. Period.
Traffic light. That one's passing on the shoulder.
Through neighborhoods, past stop signs, and blowing through traffic lights. This driver was basically playing Grand Theft Auto in real life. Except in GTA you respawn, and in Arkansas, you respawn in handcuffs. We're coming up the north interchange now. Stand south end on the bypass. Just past the interchange. I'm passing the red barn, I'll get you quickly again. Except where he's laying on the grass, we're going back around on the interstate. Or turn back around going northbound now, northbound side.
Dispatch copy northbound. due for around 100.
You got smacked.
120 miles per hour on open highway is bad enough. But in town, that's not just reckless. That's a rolling disaster waiting to happen. Every corner could have been tragedy.
We're just back there passing Vine Street, still southbound.
I got the radio. Still traveling southbound, 167. Spikes are successful. Spikes are successful.
Okay, kind of much coffee. Dispatch, we're turning on this 270 east, eastbound. See down at Oklahoma. Down Oklahoma. 10-400.
Whoever's in this is forward, let me stop.
What I love about ASP is how surgical they are. Patience, timing, then boom. Hit executed, chase done, suspect in cuffs. A perfect contrast to the chaos the driver was causing.
Let go of this hand. Just leave him down for a second. Search him real quick while he's down. Rolling towards you. I got it. Rolling towards me. Just take him real quick. Go check on that white truck. I don't know if they run them off or what. He hit him. He hit him the back end. 1, 2, 3. Put him in the car. I need one with a page. I was trying. I think I got damage on my brake, staying on the brake. Sorry, mine doesn't have the automatic shut off. He was all over the road before I hooked on him drive.
Nah, it's because of that back off of it. I don't know if it's implied. That
It's not.
Thank God for push door.
don't move yours yet. Here, I can reach through and get it.
Will, I'm trying to hit this.
It may not open.
No, it won't open.
Can the other door not open? The other side? Here, let's see. Who's got the bad guy? Bennett. He's got a set of taser darts in.
What are you trying to do? Did you tase him? Put it parked.
It was, yeah, I was still trying to roll.
Fire here, so we can just cut the damn cables on it. No, hell no.
I just turned it off. Put it.
Man, it was
fucking phasing.
It was a lot of this was already done before we even got to him. I was coming down 167. He darted into the orange gas station, turned around, all over the road, came back, and I passed him.
There's no telling what the fuck he's hit between here and there.
Oh, I know, because it's all recent damage.
I know. I heard swerving.
Yeah, he was all over. Yeah.
Oh, layout.
This wasn't a pursuit. It was a demolition derby without the crashes. Luckily, the only thing totaled at the end of the day was the suspect's freedom.